Have you ever found yourself caught in the hustle, working tirelessly, yet wondering why the river of abundance isn't flowing your way? Well, you're not alone. I've been on that journey too, navigating the challenges of manifesting wealth. But today, I'm about to share with you a game-changing revelation that transformed my life. The key lies within the walls of your home. By tapping into the metaphysical power of your living space, you can open the floodgates to prosperity. Stick around as I unveil 3 extraordinary rituals that have not just attracted wealth, but have completely revolutionized the way I experience success. We're about to embark on a journey of transformation and abundance. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on these life-altering insights. Now, let's dive deep into the mystical currents of manifesting abundance right in the heart of your home. Greetings, seekers of abundance. Today's exploration is centered around an often overlooked aspect of financial well-being, the energy within our homes. We often hear about the importance of practical skills and hard work in our quest for success, but there's an elusive metaphysical component that constitutes a staggering 90% of the equation. Today, I'm excited to share with you 3 rituals that have been pivotal in my journey, especially during the initial phases when abundance seemed distant. So if you've ever felt like your hard work isn't yielding the financial rewards you deserve, or if you're seeking a profound shift in your financial paradigm, you're in the right place. Trust me, you won't want to miss any of the secrets we're about to unravel. Now, let the metaphysical journey begin as we uncover the secrets to manifesting abundance within the sacred space of your home. Let's dive deeper into the concepts and explanations. Have you ever considered that the energy around you plays a crucial role in your financial abundance? It's not just about working hard or learning practical skills. There's a metaphysical aspect that often gets overlooked. In fact, it's the most significant part, constituting 90% of the equation. So let me share 3 powerful rituals that changed my life, especially in the beginning. It underscores the idea that success and financial abundance are not solely dependent on external actions and practical knowledge, but are intricately connected to the metaphysical or energetic environment surrounding an individual. The emphasis on the metaphysical aspect being 90% of the equation suggests a profound influence that these unseen energies have on our financial well-being. The speaker is about to unveil 3 transformative rituals that delve into this metaphysical realm, promising to bring about a positive shift in the abundance flow. 1. Negative Energy Shielding Ritual. To clear your home of negative energies, start with a simple yet effective floor cleansing ritual. All you need is hot water, vinegar, and sea salt. By mopping from the inside to the outside, from the highest floor to the lowest, and repeating positive mantras, you can release all the negativity. Remember, complaining is poverty. Gratitude is wealth. Break the cycle and be a reverse paranoid. See the world as a positive place. This ritual is a practical method for purifying the energetic atmosphere within your home. The use of hot water, vinegar, and sea salt serves as a metaphorical broom, sweeping away negative energies. The intentional movement from the innermost part of the house to the outside symbolizes expelling negativity from the core of one's living space. The incorporation of positive mantras during the process is a cognitive strategy to shift one's mindset from complaint to gratitude, reinforcing the idea that a positive mindset attracts abundance. The concept of being a reverse paranoid encourages individuals to adopt a positive outlook, believing that the world is inherently good and supportive. 2. Positive Energy Magnet Ritual. Now let's talk about attracting positive energies. Create a mixture of hot water, lemon, and cinnamon powder. The lemon purifies and enhances positive vibes, while cinnamon adds its powerful element. Repeat abundance affirmations like, "I am abundance," or create your own. As you move from top to bottom and inside to outside, you're not just cleaning, you're connecting with the frequency of abundance. Emotion is the language of manifestation, so choose a mantra that resonates with you emotionally. This ritual focuses on actively attracting positive energies into one's living space. The use of a mixture containing hot water, lemon, and cinnamon is symbolic. The lemon purifies and enhances positive energy, while cinnamon adds its metaphysical properties. The repetition of abundance affirmations serves as a conscious effort to align one's thoughts and emotions with the frequency of abundance. The intentional movement from top to bottom and inside to outside during the ritual reinforces the idea of creating a harmonious and abundant energy flow within the home. The emphasis on choosing a mantra that resonates emotionally underscores the role of personal connection and belief in the effectiveness of the ritual. 3. Abundance Amplification Ritual. As we delve deeper into manifesting abundance, let's explore the third transformative ritual designed to amplify prosperity in your life. This ritual serves as a catalyst, turning your home into a magnet for positive energy and success. Embrace this practice with sincerity and faith, as it holds the potential to elevate your abundance manifestation to new heights. This ritual is designed to elevate the energy within your home, acting as an amplifier for prosperity. The specifics of this ritual involve creating a sacred space within your home dedicated to abundance manifestation. Consider placing meaningful objects, symbols, or visualizations that represent wealth and success in this designated area. Regularly spend time in this space, focusing your thoughts on the abundance you desire. Engage in gratitude practices, affirmations, or meditation to enhance the vibrational frequency of the space. The key is to infuse this area with your sincere belief in the abundance that is already present or on its way to you. By consistently connecting with this abundance amplifier, you create a powerful resonance that aligns you with the energetic frequency of success. Remember, the strength lies in your belief, so approach this ritual with genuine faith and watch as it magnifies the positive flow of abundance into your life. Now that you've been introduced to these transformative rituals, it's time for you to embark on your own journey of abundance manifestation. Grab a pen and paper, jot down your thoughts, and let me know in the comments below which ritual resonates with you the most. Have you tried any of these practices before? Share your experiences and join our community of abundance seekers. Your journey to abundance starts now. Thank you for joining me on this profound exploration into the metaphysical realms of abundance manifestation. Remember, the power to transform your life lies within you, and your home is a sacred space waiting to be tapped into. As you integrate these rituals into your routine, may the energy within your living space align with your desires, bringing forth prosperity and success. Until next time, stay positive, stay abundant, and manifest the life you truly deserve.